Okay, part two. So I don't know what the deal is with this camera because I hit too many buttons and I'm watching Boo Boo how to hook them up. So hopefully it's playing right. So today's Wednesday. The big day is supposed to be Friday. And we'll see how things pan out. But I'm making some baked chicken and some other stuff, some baked potatoes, and I might make some rice, I don't know. So we can have like a quick Insta meal. So far, so good. It does feel a little weird. It's kind of quiet outside. I guess it's mostly quiet because there's no yard equipment like a leaf blower going. I guess it's too cold for that. But that wind, I can feel it. It's cutting through. It's cold.